G friends, good afternoon. Mitsubishi Lancer 92 end model. Tyres, Yokohama, Japan. Tires only 20% used. These tires. The condition of this vehicle, this car in front of you. This is the interior. Dashboard in general condition. This vehicle is for sale, just for Eid gift. Seat covers in original steering, doors, all doors panels in okay condition. Engine in good condition, CNG fitted, best average on CNG and also in petrol, and AC is in running condition, chilled AC of this vehicle. This is the rear door, the trim boards, and now we are coming to the back side, and this is the trunk, rear trunk, CNG with frame, Cultus new model, center fitted. This is the rear portion. Now I am going to left side of the vehicle. This is the left rear door. Trim boards and channels, all is okay. Front door left. Now is the roof. Now I am going to front side of the engine room. Yes, front side. These are the tires. Yokohama, Bluebird, Japan. This is the front portion, front view of the car. Now this is the engine room in general condition, CNG fitted, new battery, Devo. Now I am going to tell you about the price. My demand is only 7,25,000 of this car, and will be sold to the nearest offer. This is the condition of my car. Thank you for watching.